Yes, good morning guys, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday 5th of July 2018 and this video is just where I go over my daily analysis and what trades or trade action I've taken this morning so far on both the daily Mod MACD method and the daily high probability method. Pretty quiet days to be expected. Been Independence Day in the US last night, so the markets is just meandering and getting ready for tomorrow's news. So it's Thursday today. This is in Hanoi time or Vietnam time. Bit of news out the US today. This is Thursday, but I think it'll be fairly quiet until tomorrow morning, where we have employment figures, trade balance out of Canada. And also then the non-farm payrolls or the employment figures out the US. That's the biggie. That's definitely the biggie. So there was a little bit of action on the chart, so let's have a look. XM. Look at the Mod MACD first up already. So I was in this is the US Canadian dollar, USD Canadian dollar. I was in a buy back here, had a stop in place this morning. The fast MACD has gone through the zero level. Everything else is sweet except price didn't close below the 25 SMA, but all other criteria is met. We've got a red QMP dot. This is the most important. We've got a confirmed cross through the fast MACD, and the standard MACD is in sell mode. So closed the buy completely and taken a new sell at this point here. It's a bit of a high risk trade. We're going against the 240 LMA, plus we're coming in on non-farm payrolls tomorrow, but it's a valid signal, so I'm taking it. So that's the only trade on that this morning. So close the buy, open a new sell. Switched over to high probability daily. Fairly quiet on this also. No new trades. You'll see in a second once the profile warms up, which is always pain. I should learn how to pause this video when this happens. Here we go. Sorry, I lied. There is a new trade. Sorry about that. I was looking at my wrong notes. Yeah, on the pound Swiss franc, I've taken a new buy trade this morning. MAs are tight, very tight and flat. I'd say it's a higher risk trade. It's regular bullish divergence. You have lower price than the previous low, so price is heading down, but the MACD is heading up. It's one of these ones where the MACD is on the wrong, one end is on the wrong side of the zero level, which is fine with divergence trades. It just makes it a little bit harder for me to manage a trade, that's all, but that's a valid signal still. You can see the MACD is heading up and price is heading down. So regular bullish divergence. Look, it's MAs to me look like they're turning down, but they're very flat and tight. So we've taken the buy there this morning. So that's that one. And just a couple of trade adjustments. Euro New Zealand dollar. I'm in a buy from back here. This I've got a red dot on the QMP, red dot on the MACD platinum, and decided to move my stop up to this level here just to lock in that profit from the entry there up to there. I normally, when I'm on the daily chart, sometimes I just drop down to the 4-hour charts and just have a look if there's any obvious lows. I could have brought it up to this level here on the 4-hour, but just brought it down to this level here. There's no real obvious place, so it's under the 50 EMA on the 4-hour, so sometimes that's just the way I look at stops. So that's the Euro New Zealand, and the other one would be the Pound New Zealand, same deal, red dot on the MACD Platinum, and we're locking in profit. We're in a buy here, so locking in profit, just brought it up there. If I go back to the 4-hour chart, nothing obvious there. I could have brought it up closer again, but I just want to give it a bit of wiggle room with non-farm payrolls and just see how it goes. So that's about it for today, guys. As I said, it's a quiet day. Quiet day last night. It'll probably be quiet again today. There is a bit of news, but generally the market sort of stalls and waits for non-farm payrolls, but you never know, there could be something out of left field. So that's about it, and I'll chat later. Cheers.